Welcome to my channel. All these questions are from Sonnet 77 by Edmund Spenser. Number 1. Sonnet 77 by Edmund Spenser is a part of which collection? A. Songs and Sonnets. B. Amority. Correct answer B. Amority. Number 2. What thematic fusion is present in Sonnet 77 by Edmund Spenser? A. Beauty and sensuality. B. Sensuality and spirituality. Correct answer B. Sensuality and spirituality. Number 3. Which metaphor is used for the bosom in Sonnet 77 by Edmund Spenser? A. Ivory table. B. Golden apples. Correct answer A. Ivory table. Number 4. Which of the following arises in the poet's mind at the sight of the beloved's breast? A. Only physical desire. B. Physical desire with spiritual virtue. Correct answer B. Physical desire with spiritual virtue. Number 5. In which meter does Sonnet 77 by Edmund Spenser fall? A. Iambic pentameter. B. Iambic hexameter. Correct answer A. Iambic pentameter. Number 6. What kind of poetic device is by love himself? A. Personification. B. Personification and allusion. Correct answer B. Personification and allusion. Number 7. Ivory symbolizes which of the following? A. Beauty. B. Beauty and purity. Correct answer B. Beauty and purity. Number 8. What is the rhyme scheme of Sonnet 77 by Edmund Spenser? A. AB AB BC BC CD CD EE. B. AB AB CD CD EF EF GG. Correct answer A. AB AB BC BC CD CD EE. Number 9. Sinful vice refers to which act? A. Sensuality. B. Eating of the fruit from the forbidden tree. Correct answer B. Eating of the fruit from the forbidden tree. Number 10. What is passing those Hercules came by? A. Allusion. B. Allusion and hyperbole. Correct answer B. Allusion and hyperbole. Number 11. What image does her breast that table was so richly spread create? A. Sensuality. B. Spirituality. Correct answer A. Sensuality. Number 12. Which mythology does Atlanta refer to? A. Greek. B. Roman. Correct answer A. Greek. Number 13. Which one is the theme of Sonnet 77 by Edmund Spenser? A. Beauty as a means to glorify love. B. Beauty provokes desire. Correct answer A. Beauty as a means to glorify love. Number 14. What is the tone of Sonnet 77 by Edmund Spenser? A. Pleasant, adorable, and sensual. B. Pleasant, astonishing, and sensual. Correct answer A. Pleasant, adorable, and sensual. Number 15. What is the mood of Sonnet 77 by Edmund Spenser? A. Jovial, desirous, and calm. B. Desirous, appreciative, and esteemed. Correct answer desirous, appreciative, and esteemed. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.